Conformational analysis is the study of different energy levels of the different conformations of a molecule. But what are these conformations? So specifically, when we're talking about conformations or different conformations of a molecule, we are referring to different 3D arrangements or structural arrangements of the same exact molecule. So it should sound familiar. We kind of went over something like this already, where it's like isomers, where they have the same chemical formula, but they have different structures. Essentially, we're taking it a step further, and we're looking at this on a 3D level. So a specific conformation is referred to as a conformer or a conformational isomer. What we're looking at is, remember what a sigma bond is. So remember that a sigma bond really is either a single bond, or a sigma bond is found in every single type of bond, essentially. If we were to have something like this, some sort of structure like this, what we're essentially saying